This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gun stocks. Crafting a custom gun stock is a rewarding project that combines woodworking skill with precision. We will guide you through the entire process, from selecting the perfect wood blank to applying the final protective finish. You'll learn about the critical steps involved, including careful material preparation, intricate shaping, and precise inletting for a perfect fit. This guide will help you create a beautiful and functional stock. Choosing the right wood is crucial for a durable and attractive gun stock. Popular choices include walnut, especially English or Claro, and maple, known for their strength, stability, and beautiful grain patterns. Ensure your wood blank is well seasoned, ideally for a year or more, to prevent future warping or cracking. Begin by rough cutting your chosen blank to a manageable size, removing excess material and squaring the log using a bandsaw or table saw. Shaping and inletting are the most meticulous steps. Begin by inletting the action, which means precisely cutting the spaces for the firearm's receiver and barrel. Apply a thin layer of inletting black to the metal components. This will transfer to the wood, highlighting areas needing removal. Use sharp chisels, gouges, and scrapers to carefully remove wood, checking the fit frequently. Gradually shape the stock's exterior, refining the contours with rasps and sandpaper for ergonomic comfort and aesthetic appeal. The finishing process protects the wood and enhances its natural beauty. Start by sanding the stock thoroughly, progressing from 80 grit to 400 grit sandpaper, always moving with the grain. Apply a wood filler to achieve a perfectly smooth surface, then begin applying your chosen finish. Many prefer oil finishes, such as true oil or boiled linseed oil, applied in multiple thin coats, allowing ample drying time between each. For added grip and aesthetic detail, consider adding checkering to the grip and formed areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.